Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about the characters and theme of the at the bottom of the river. Actually, this is the relation between mother and daughter. Main theme is mother-daughter relation. First of all, uh, I would like to talk about the characters. The first character is the daughter. The daughter is the main character of these poems. Although not explicitly stated, she is believed to be an embodiment of kinship. Some of the stories maybe feel that there is a semi-autobiographical. Her own experiences has written in some of the stories, and her experiences, the girl experiences, and attitude reflect of this kinship own childhood and adolescence. Adolescence, and but her own experiences. Suppose you can say teenager or youth age, maybe described in this story. The girl is growing up and learning who is and where is fit in the world. She find out who I am and what is the role of my life in the on the earth. Means Hindu religion, whatever there is a religions, there is first of all try to understand or many first of all if you know the who I am and what is the role of my life on the earth. That is the main concept of the girl and daughter stories. She's used the girl is growing up and learning who she is and where she fits into the world. Her relationship with her own mom is central point of the conflict in the story. What is the mother and daughter relationship in this story? But she eventually learns to accept that advice and concern of mother without compromising what she has in mind for herself. First of all, the daughter has feel that the mother is always suppress me, taunting me, or whatever. She just talk about the something, but finally, has accepted what is the hidden meaning or what is the intention of the mother. That's why the daughter has accepted his guilt and compromised the what is mother saying that. Now the second character, the mother, a mother of the girl is trying to best to raise her daughter in good health. Every mother wants to her daughter may be good or healthy, safety and love. Every mother wants to give her daughter love, safety and also good health. That is the main intention of her mother. In an attempt make her wise her to really connect with her daughter, and mother want to try her wise to connect her daughter, means not only physically connected but they are also connect with their wise attachment to the girl also. She reveals intimately personal information. She know about her personal information, recounting her life story. She also telling her own story to the daughter, and she feel that she will be understand what I am saying. That is a main part of the uh, intention. She confesses fears. She concern the mother uh, always feel concern or confess that also fears and concern about her daughter life. Still human, she makes a mistake sending a selfie selfish motivated. She makes mistake sending selfish motivated letter to the girl in hopes she would be quit her job and move back out of the guilt. The mother want to try. The daughter will be came our house will come our house and stay with in one family, but mother has also trying to write some emotional letter to her daughter. Mother wants to convince her daughter कि what is wrong or what is good, and she will become. And in the end, she learns to God, just her daughter learns to take a charge, and then after that the girl or will become and will be safe in her in front of her. Now next, the stepdaughter, sorry, the stepfather. She, sorry, here the stepdaughter. Sorry, here is a stepdaughter stepfather relations also. That's I'm trying to say. Means the daughter is not a biological daughter of that particular person. They also stepdaughter or stepfather. So that's why here is a stepfather character. He makes an appearance in the night. These characters just appearance in the night story. The stepfather doesn't seem to play influence role in the girl's life. Means here trying to saying that the in girl's life the father has no role as a man. He is a creature of the some mystery in her life. In that particular daughter's life, she is a mystery person. He has no role to a daughter life. She struggles to understand what is and what is the role of the that particular society. Actually, what is the role of the man in the society as a man? Means here, what is the actual role of that particular man in the society? The differences between the sexes seem to overlapping to her, especially as a result of her mother's warning. And this convinces that what is the actually role of the man in the society. Now the characters has finished. Now, actually, what is the theme of the short stories? Uh, we feel that there is a one theme, the mainly or focused theme, the mother-daughter relationship. The girl's most important relation is with her mother. The main theme or first theme is a mother-daughter relationship. Her mother, from a young age, she struggled to listen to her mom's instruction. First of all, she would be listen mom instruction. One night, the girl goes for a walk and relatives that world is dangerous and strange. Perhaps her mom knows that what she's talking about when she's warned her against trying to that. Her moms know. Actually, mother has know about the what is going on in the society, what will be helpful or girls. That's why she always concerned about and also trying to give advice to the her daughter. They share some sweet moment together after that where they talk openly in house about the what themselves fears, mistakes, proud moments, fear, mistakes, proud moments, desire, etc. As the girls grow up, she fears mistake, proud moments. As the girl grows up and she starts breaking away from her mother, this leads to mutual resentment, and here is a mother and daughter relationship is a mutual relationship. In the end, however, they both make peace with the new status, the relationship, and work on building on even a healthier relationship with than ever before. The first relation to mother daughter is overly complicated, but after that, the mother daughter relation is good. Now, third theme, developing self identity. Means here is a who's self developing identity. Here is a daughter is developing. The girl is growing up as part of her journey into adulthood. Means the girl is growing up emotionally, physically. She find herself forced to figure out who she is, and now that she wants to find out who I am. This theme of the identity is prevalent through this text. Means what is the identity of the girl in the, and what is the role. Where, wherever she looks, she learning about herself speciality. What is the special identity of the girls? That particular girl. She organized over the many known intricacies of the personal development. Means here is some minute description of the girls' development. Means all types of the development, cognitive development, emotional development, physical development. So trying to uh, understand herself and purpose better. And what is the purpose of, means uh, she also trying to hidden meaning, or what is the role of that particular. When she looks at the object and nature around her, the girl is not only object, she has just she has only nature also. She is not only object. She realized that she is part of the centuries of the human development. Her experience is valuable, so she just accept herself. Her experience is good, there is no doubt about it, but their development is a different way. And mother also worried about this. The girl or daughter is trying to convince herself, I am a better, I am a have experience in the society, good or bad, both are. Now the third theme, male operations of the feminine. Here is the third, the male operation in the most of the most of the most of the society. There is a male dominated society. From a young age, the girls become conscious and stand dynamic between men and men. The teenager is the male girls is also trying to. There is a dynamic men and women. What is the strange behavior to the girls have? There is some changes emotionally, physically also. Thanks to her, thanks to her mother's constant warning, and that's why he just always warning to her daughter. She knows that men are not be treated as the same as a woman, not trusted. Every person or every especially man not treated as a woman or not as a trusted, means the both quality. As a woman, she is her own identity, or and then man has not trusted to woman. In Afro Caribbean, the sea faces unique traits of the gender bias and violence. There is also some unique faces. There is a gender biases and violence here is happening. This constant threat leads to the resentment in her young mind, and that young mind she know about the violence, gender bias description, what is going on in the society. This is the constitution. She know about her young mind what is going in the society. She begins to distance men altogether as a class. Men is another class. Because of that fundamental value difference between sexes which she observe in her culture. She know that what is the value of the woman, or what is the value of the men in the society, and she know about that. And the last uh, theme, maternal worry. Maternal means mother worry. There is a fourth theme is mother's worry. The mother primary function is cursor. Here you can see that there is a mother also trying to uh, always worries about the her daughter from start to finish, means first story to up to last story. She always worries about her daughter. She continually admonish, wants and encourage her daughter. She always praises also, some give warrants, some praises, some know about those warning of the traits, or what will be uh, coming in the next few time, what will be develop. And now encourage her daughter to make good safe choices, and that time she always worried about her safe choices, make good person also. She doesn't outgrow this need to worry, and she will be complete as a woman, made her complete as a woman. She does allow her daughter to begin making more and more choices independently until she is on her own. The mother makes some mistake along the way. So in that youth age, some mother has some mistake mm, that mistake will not be happening in my daughter's life. When her daughter takes a job away from home, that time some critical condition. What will the role of the mother? She must know about the her daughter's way. She sends a letter designed illicit guilt for leaving home in the hopes that the girl would give up and return to rest of the family. And illicit guilt, what is the hidden meaning of that particular uh, atmosphere? She will be know about the society and there is a role of that particular lady. Despite some setbacks, the relation between two follows the normal progression of such, and she know about the what is the progression of the society, and that will be modify or adjustment to the society and also concern about the society, and we will fight that particular situation. Eventually girls come back into good graces with her mother, and finally the girls come in the her own room or own house, irritating herself with new depth and understanding born in a real life experience, and girl maybe know of the next generation real life experience. So here is a four, I think, themes. First one is a mother daughter relation, second is a developing self identity, and third is the male operation of the feminine, and fourth is the maternal worry, especially mother's worry. So thank you very much. Next time you can see the uh, essay about all the post-colonial literature. If you any doubt, you can ask me or my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you very much.